Hi, in this video, let me show you how to fix in case you're having issues with your HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E printer. So if you have Wi-Fi issues or maybe printing issues, I'll show you different tricks on how to solve them. Before going any further, I always suggest you try to unplug the printer once you encounter any problems. So simply go on the back, pull this power cord, wait around 2 minutes, plug it back, press the power button, start your printer, and many times, since it's just a software problem, well, this will solve the issue. If you're still having problems, let's go to the second tip. If you have a paper jam, the easiest thing to do is to open the front panel of this printer. And then the second one, over here we have the cartridge. If the cartridge are not able to swing left and right, it will give you that paper jam error. So take a look everywhere to see if there's any stuck paper. Sometimes it's under the carriage there. If you don't see anything, go over here, pull this small flap, okay, the small panel, check over there. And if you see any paper, go ahead and extract it with your fingers or with a pair of tweezers. After doing this, I suggest you unplug it, you plug it back, and the error will go away. If you have printing issues, so that the print is printing with some white spots, or maybe the ink is dried out inside of the printer, you can always go into the menu, go down and select right over here, Tools, select Troubleshooting, and here you have Clear Smear, Print Head Cleaning. This is in case, let's say you're printing a text and some letters are missing, or print head alignment if your prints are coming crooked on the paper. So this is where you need to go in case you want to fix these main issues that happen often. If you want to reset your printer because nothing worked, you simply have to go in the same place. Let me go and show you again. So go in Menu, go down, select Tools, select Maintenance, select Restore Settings, go down, select Restore All Factory Defaults, and then click Restore. This will factory reset your printer, and fortunately, after doing this, it will work. Thanks for watching. If you have any other tips, leave them in the comment section down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.